In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Typeform URL by customizing either your account-level subdomain or the individual form links, depending on your subscription plan. This guide will focus on making adjustments for users who have a Plus, Enterprise, or Growth custom plan. So whether you're reorganizing your forms for personal preference or aligning your branding strategy, these steps will help you easily customize your Typeform URLs. To begin, log in to your Typeform account. If you're not sure if you have the right plan for this customization, make sure you check that you're on a Plus plan, Enterprise, or Growth custom plan. Upon logging in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen where you will find your account alias. Click on it and select Admin Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage different administrative functions related to your account. Once you're in the admin settings, look for a section labeled Account Settings. Within that section, you'll find an option to Change URL. Clicking this will open up a new area where you can decide on a custom subdomain for your account. The subdomain you choose should be between 2 and 20 characters long, and remember, it cannot include any special characters. So think about something catchy, memorable, and aligned with your brand. Once you've decided on your subdomain, enter it in the field provided and click Confirm. Once this change is made successfully, all of your form URLs will now follow a new format. It will look something like this: https://your subdomain typeform.com/2formid. This means your forms will now be branded with the subdomain name you've chosen. It's a small change that adds a personal touch and can be particularly beneficial for businesses looking to maintain consistent branding. However, please keep in mind that changing your account subdomain might have some ripple effects on existing integrations and embedded forms. If you have forms integrated into your website or other platforms, you'll need to update those links to ensure everything continues to work smoothly. Consider making a checklist of all the places you might have integrated your forms, such as websites, emails, and marketing campaigns, and update them accordingly to reflect your new subdomain. This customization feature is a powerful tool for users with these advanced plans and can make your Typeform service more tailored and unique to your needs. So, go ahead and make those adjustments, and enjoy the enhanced personalization and branding opportunities it offers. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips on effectively managing your Typeform account.